Hello and welcome to Accudemia. In this video, we'll show you how to create and configure surveys. In a future video, we'll show you how students fill out surveys from their perspective and how to report on surveys. Surveys are a great tool for gathering feedback from your students or attendees. By using Accudemia as your survey platform, you will be ensuring that more of your data stays in one place, which makes it much easier to report on and evaluate. Surveys are highly customizable and configurable. From the main screen, after logging into Accudemia, go to Administration and then click Surveys. Notice that you have filters on the left that allow you to more easily search among your surveys, which comes in handy if there are many in your account. On the right, you will see a list of all surveys that have been created for the location you are scoped to. When you click on the checkbox next to the survey name, more options will appear that will allow you to clone the survey, preview it, stop or start the survey from running, or delete it. Let's create a new survey. Click on the blue New Survey button towards the top right of the screen. A pop-up window will appear. Provide a name for your survey. This can be whatever you want, but we do recommend having some kind of naming convention to allow you to easily differentiate one survey from another. For example, this might be the midterm survey and a future survey might be the final survey. Next, you will need to specify how often the survey is given to the student or users. It can be given as a one-time survey, recurrently, or manually, which means you will run it by hand and tell the system when the survey should start and stop. Note that different additional options appear depending on which button you choose. You will then choose where the survey appears to the student. It can either appear at the sign-in station when the student signs out of a session, or they can access it through the internet by signing in their Accudemia website. Next, specify who the survey should be directed to. You can choose to show it to users with any of these default roles. In most cases, the survey will be shown to students. The advanced settings determine further when the survey is displayed or sent to the student. The first box, Show On, determines how often the survey is sent. For example, if you enter 2, the student will be asked to take the survey every 2 visits. The next box determines after how many days the student will receive a reminder to complete the survey if they haven't. And with the next box, Forced Survey After, this will prevent the student from signing into a kiosk or accessing Accudemia until they have completed the survey once that number of days has passed. Specify the start and end date for the survey. The survey will run in this window. Finally, determine whether or not you will send email notifications that the survey needs to be completed, and when the first or second reminder should go out. Reminders are optional, but good to use if you think it will help to get more responses. Great! You now have all your settings configured for this survey. Now it is time to build your survey and create your questions. At the top of that same window, you will see that we are in the General Information tab. Click on the Questionnaire tab to start building your survey. The first option you will see is to edit the survey title. Click Accept Changes when you're done. To start creating your questions, click Add a New Page. You have the option here to add a page title as well, which we recommend if your survey will be lengthy. A description can help contextualize your survey for students so they understand why it is important and how to fill it out. Click Add Question to add your first question. Click Edit Question to edit the question text, and click Accept Changes when you're done. Answers can be open text fields, which allow respondents to enter any response they want, or multiple choice, where respondents have to choose from a set of pre-written responses. For multiple choice questions, you can allow them to click multiple options or just one. For this example, we use 2 possible answers, yes or no. Under the type of question, you will indicate if this question is required or if they are allowed to select multiple options. If you want to add another question, just click the Add Question button. until you have created all of your questions. Once finished, scroll back up to the top of the window. At this point, we recommend clicking Preview Survey, which allows you to see what the survey will look like from the student's perspective. When you're ready to save the survey, just click Save Survey. A pop-up screen will ask you if you also want to activate the survey at this time, meaning students or attendees will be able to complete the survey according to the parameters. If you are not ready to activate it, just click No. If you have activated the survey, then it will appear on the list of surveys with the green play icon, and if not, it will appear on the list with the red stop icon. Surveys are a great feature of Accudemia, and we hope this lesson has inspired you to take advantage of them if you weren't planning on it already. If you have any questions, please contact support@accudemia.com. Thank you for watching and for being a valued client.